Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped and welcome to a very windy Goodwood. So I'm here today for the annual Goodwood Marshals Trackday, one of my favourite events of the calendar. Actually this year it's 2 days, but I'm here on the Thursday and I've teamed up with Kevin and Keith from Sussex Road and Racing to offer hot laps in the two mini race cars behind me. I'm also here with my good friend Mr. Joe Achilles. You will see Grill Airs just there. We're actually at lunch. It's been an action-packed morning so far, so I will give you a bit of a preview of what we did this morning. But my first passenger this afternoon is Joe. Joe screams. Well, she screams in a normal car. What on earth is she going to do when she gets into that 300 horsepower mini Clubman race car? How do we go? Hey, so this is the episode of Joe Screams that I've been planning most of the summer. You alright, Joe?
I'm good to go at the moment.
I did say I'd get her in something that would make her scream. Currently she's in a 300 horsepower mini Clubman race car. Sounds good, doesn't it?
My heart's racing already.
Is it? You didn't have any lunch, did you?
No.
There you go. It's alright.
Do you know what you're doing?
No, not really. Here we go! Here we go!
Hey. Oh, have we got to get in this queue?
No. We go right to the front.
Really? What's that?
Your belt's nice and tight.
I know it's a pointless exercise me saying to you, will you go slow?
Oh, I've got to warm it up slowly, just for the...
You've already warmed it up this morning.
Yeah, no, but the tyres will be cold now, so we're off out first. So we've only got a Porsche Turbo behind us, that'll be alright.
I've got a stiff neck, remember?
Have you? So you've never been in a race car before?
No.
Excellent. So yeah, so when I knew I was doing the Goodwood Marshals Trackday again, I spoke to Kevin at Sussex Road and Race and Keith, whose car this is. I said, can I borrow one to take you out? It's all about you.
All about me?
Yeah, I wanted,
Thanks.
wanted to get you out in this race car.
You didn't need to do that for me.
Do you want to say, your son said, do you want to say goodbye to him?
Not permanently.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know what you've signed me up for. Oh, hey! 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 Oh, hey, I can smell that tape burning already!
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey! Oh, hey, I can smell tape burning!
No, it's a race car. Race car smell.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm going home.
Take it gentle the first lap. Warm the tyres up.
Sorry?
It's going to warm the tyres up a bit.
Shut up talking to me! Hey! You're almost with the grass! Oh, I've got pins and needles, hey. Hey! Pete! Oh, Pete, I've got a stiff neck! Oh, Pete! I've got... Oh, my hands... Ah! Pete! Oh, no, please, please! Hey! making a funny noise. Pete! Pete! You may have lost. Pete! 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 Oh God! Pete!
One more lap! You okay, Joe?
Pete! No! 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 Pete! Oh no! Pete! Please! Please don't go too fast! You Pete!
Here and Billy moving around.
Oh, Pete! Pete! We nearly came off you! Pete, we nearly came off the road then! Come, Pete! Pete! Pete, please, please! Pete, slow down, think of Owen! Pete, I mean it! Pete! Pete!
We can't attack. You're up, yeah?
Oh no, Pete, can we stay behind him? Please don't go.
Oh! You enjoyed it, really?
You made my hands go blue. I feel really sick. Pete! 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 I'm warning you! Pete!
We're on our slow down lap. What was that?
I tried not to scream this time.
You did really well. You only swore twice.
I know, I'm really sorry. I couldn't control myself. I'm a bit worried. My hands are blue.
Did you enjoy it?
No, not really.
Oh, that was so funny. Now, she didn't scream quite as badly as I thought she was going to be honest, but absolutely brilliant. But earlier today, in one of this morning sessions, I went out with Keith, whose car it is that I'm driving today, and even though the grip conditions were pretty low, I mean, what he can do with that car is unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Watch this. Right on YouTube. The gentleman sat next to me is Keith, who owns this amazing car, who's now going to show me how it's done.
Yeah, we hope so anyway.
It is drying up, but it's still quite slippy. I've done quite a few runs, but not filmed any of them, just because I'm waiting for it to dry up, and I think it might dry up and then start raining this afternoon.
Yeah, I think we're getting some rain this afternoon.
Here we go, Joe's in. Joe's here with Owen my next. How's that, mate?
Absolutely.
Now, I might have a quick chat with Keith to see if we can get you out in the race car.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Say that now, let's see.
Right then, woohoo!
Woo, what a lap, mate. We still got to go.
So, head over to Joe's channel to see me in his M3,
Yep.
but I had to take you out in the... Oh, let's turn the...
In the race car.
In the race car. Mr. Joe Achilles.
Yo.
We've sorted the battery issues out now, haven't we?
Yes. Absolutely. This is going to be pretty special. Oh my goodness! Wow! What a piece of kit! So tell me, 300 horsepower?
300 horsepower. Yeah, just rapid as...
Rapid as blip. Front wheel drive, obviously.
Front wheel drive, short shift gearbox.
Yep. Wow.
Obviously we've been held up by 911 at the moment, which is
Yes.
quite comical.
Gives you an idea of how fast this is. Oh my god, it stays absolutely flat as a pancake. It's like, you do know you got a brake back there, Pete.
Braking's a pussy.
It just wheels in everything, doesn't it? Grip levels are ridiculous. Oh, the sound. And I love this. I love this Citroen. Look at that. I mean, you need to take seasickness tablets in that thing. Look at it.
I need a clean lap.
Yeah.
Right, let's have a clear lap. One more.
Yeah. Yes.
Come on!
Ah, wicked.
137.
Yes. Mate, that was epic.
Let's let it cool down now, don't we?
Yeah, I can actually smell the brakes.
It's an amazing car, isn't it?
Oh, mate, it's amazing.
It's just that front end, now the tyres are warm.
Through here, I mean, it would be a couple of seconds quicker than the M3 through that section. It's just so pointy, and through here it's fantastic. Around somewhere like Snetterton, this would be brilliant fun.
There you go.
Oh, mate, thank you so much. Legend.
Well, look, it's now absolutely chucking it down with rain. I gave up about 3 o'clock, parked the Minis up safely. I did actually get out in the little R53 a couple of times. What a superb little car that is. And the clubbie's just been fantastic. I've got to say a massive thank you to Keith and to Kevin for just bringing the cars along and help support the day. Joe's over there kind of just saying it's a bit too wet to go. I think he's the last one out on track actually. But massive shout out. Joe, finishing the video, dude. I'm trying to keep the rain off the lens.
We had to call it a day because there's that much standing water out there. It's
Really?
like I'd be better off in a boat. So yeah.
What a day.
What a day. What
Wicked.
a fantastic day.
Absolutely wicked.
It's been great seeing you.
Head over to his channel and see his video as well.
Yep.
You're probably subscribed anyway, but yeah, legend.
Yes.
You're off somewhere like, you got to go up north.
Up
now.
to the motorbike show. Yeah.
hell.
So yeah,
What a
quite looking
hard-working
forward to
YouTuber.
that. Well, yeah. Both are.
Wicked,
Yeah.
mate.
Cheers,
Been
mate.
good seeing you.
Yeah, lovely seeing
And
you.
there's some stuff coming soon.
Yes, very exciting stuff that I am genuinely excited about.
Mate, I've
So
got some names as well, I'll tell you.
nice.
Yeah. Anyway,
Nice.
if you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped and Joe Achilles for plenty more content to come. And we'll see you on the next video. But I'll put all the details for Goodwood Marshals in the description below. Brilliant day today. I don't know how much money we've raised, but you've been busy all day.
Yeah.
Absolutely wicked. Anyway,
you.
we're going to go in and get dry. See you on the next film, guys.
Cheers.
Drive safe.